Are you looking for the ultimate daily backpack that seamlessly combines style, durability, and total organization? Meet the PUMA Unisex Colony Backpack in Heather. Whether you are heading to class, commuting to the office, or packing for a weekend trip, this bag is built to handle your busy lifestyle effortlessly. Crafted from high-quality, long-lasting fabric, it features a sleek, heathered finish that looks great with any outfit. Inside, you get spacious storage compartments, a dedicated sleeve to keep your laptop safe, and convenient quick-access pockets for your phone, keys, and water bottle. The padded ergonomic shoulder straps ensure all-day carrying comfort, even when loaded up. It is the perfect blend of athletic performance and modern utility. Upgrade your gear today. Click the Amazon link provided in the video description right now to grab your PUMA Colony Backpack before stock runs out.